Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to play 1v1 with your friend in CS2. This is going to be an easy one. First thing you want to do is go to your gameplay. And once you're in, you have to click on the settings button here on the top left portion of the screen. And then once you're in, click on under video, under game. Make sure that you have click yes here in under install Counter-Strike Workshop tools, and then similarly go to you should click yes under enable developer console under game, like so in the snippet, and then go to keyboard and mouse, go to keyboard and mouse settings, and then make sure that you have toggle console, you have enabled this. Once you're in, it will show up this as you have toggled your console. And when you're playing, first thing you want to type in is map space d underscore ancient. If you click enter, it will show this gameplay. And then click again, bot underscore kick. And then next is status. And then lastly, type in connect space and then copy paste this client version, this one, and then once you've done with that, just click on enter, and then you're connected to 1v1 with your friend in CS2. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.